Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the router model and the installed firmware version so you download the exact update. Once done, download the firmware binary and its checksum to your computer. This prevents mismatches and bricked devices. Make sure to plug your PC into the router with an Ethernet cable and log into the admin interface. Now navigate to the firmware or system page and locate the upload control. That's the first actionable step. You will now upload the firmware through the router's admin page or use the vendor's TFTP tool if recommended for your model. Before you click upload, verify the downloaded file checksum. This ensures integrity and avoids corrupted installs. During the transfer, do not interrupt power or network. Progress bars and status logs tell you if the device accepted the image. If the admin rejects the file, recheck model, file name, and checksum rather than forcing another attempt. Once the upload completes, the router will typically write the image and reboot. Let it finish fully and then log back in to confirm the new firmware version and basic connectivity. After that, restore your saved configuration or reapply critical settings like Wi-Fi SSID and passwords. If something goes wrong, enter the router's recovery mode or use the vendor's TFTP recovery tool to reload a known good image. This single troubleshooting step often unbricks devices when normal boot fails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.